guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia. For those of you that are visiting my channel for the first time, everybody else, welcome back. I am sharing with you in this video how I'm going to start my herb garden. I will be starting this herb garden from seed. It is middle of the March right now. So I'm hoping that by May I will be able to take this garden and put it outside. And I wanted to start it from seeds. Every year I have herb planters with lots of different herbs, and I always buy them at the local nursery. But this time I thought, why not start my own, so that way I can have way more for a lot less. So some of the items that I have picked up for this project at Lowe's, I picked up the Mackenzie sage seeds. I have picked up basil seeds by Mackenzie. I think these are all Mackenzie seeds. I have picked up the cilantro seeds and parsley seed. This is the regular Italian parsley. And then I also picked up thyme seeds, curly parsley, Thai basil, and chamomile. I use all of these in my cooking. I make chamomile tea by drying the chamomile. If you'd be interested to know how I do this, let me know down below in the comments, or send me a message. And I also picked up the seed starting dirt from the potting mix from Lowe's by Miracle Grow, and it is specially formulated for fast root development. Then at our local Dollarama, I have picked out the seed tray. This is, it says make a mini garden perfect for window ledges. Reusable, made of durable plastic, ideal for on its own to plant and grow seeds, with inserts to group and transport plants, with cover to maintain optimum humidity level for growing. I also picked up the greenhouse seed starter kit, and this one says make a mini greenhouse, ideal for use on its own to plant and grow seeds, with inserts to group and transport plants, and with cover to maintain optimum humidity. So they're pretty much they're very similar. This one also comes with a plastic tray with clear cover, 2 cardboard trays, 40 cardboard pots, 10 garden plant tea markers, 10 plant labels, 1 dibbler, 1 weeder, and 1 pencil. I picked up some gardening gloves later on to use the plant cell pack. It says ensure prepared soil is patted down and not too dry to moist and impression crisp plants cell pack 5 times faster. So I assume when you pop these out from here, you make a hole and you can put whatever's in there. And I also picked up the Fiskars Fiber Comp trowel and a soil scoop. So this one was $3. This one was $4. The gloves were $1.50. And this one was $1. And these were $3 each, which is not bad. But I also picked up at Dollar Tree a couple more of the plant labels, and then I also picked up the chapboard wood stakes. I'm not sure which ones I'll use, whether I'll use these or these. I also filled up a watering can with some water and spray bottle with some water as well. the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put dirt into all of these, and then once I see how many I need, I'm going to see if I'm gonna use it all or just some. I'm not quite sure how many seeds I'm going to get out of the packet. I'm not filling them up all the way, just part way. I have tried doing this before, but it never quite worked out for me, but I did some research, read some stuff, and I'm hoping that this will work. I used better soil. Last time I used soil from the dollar store. Not sure whether that would have affected it. Like I mentioned before, every time I start talking, my bird starts talking louder, so that's what you can hear. And I will be posting the progress of the seeds on my Instagram and my Facebook page, so make sure you follow me on both. They're both Domestic Diva 76 blog. I also have a Pinterest page where I pin a lot of this stuff, and I also pin my future projects that I'm thinking of doing, so you might want to follow me there as well. I am on Twitter too, but that's a different story. Gotta figure out that one yet. So as you can see, I filled it up part way, not all the way. I'm gonna push the dirt down a little bit, and then I'm going to moisten it with the spray. So I'm going to do this way. Then the next one, I'm going to fill it up all the way, and I'm going to use this handy tool that came with it to put the seeds in. Try it both ways. So I'm going to, there are lots of seeds here. So I think I'm going to do 2 per. And then, but I'm not going to put all of them in here just in case if they don't work out. So I'm going to put, I think, gonna do like 4, maybe 6 in there, and then I'm gonna label it right away. I'm gonna use these for now, and I'm gonna write, actually I think I'm gonna use a green permanent marker for this, and I'm going to put it right in there. Or actually, I'm going to put it at the last one, so that way I know that these ones are sage. Add more dirt. Actually, I'm going to moisten the dirt first. Now I'm going to do dye basil. Make sure you don't drop them because they are super tiny. So then I have a couple left here, and I'm gonna use that in the other one. I'm gonna use 2 labels for this, just in case. I just put a little dots to kind of diagram of which one is Thai basil there. Then I'm gonna put something completely different into these, so when it grows, it looks completely different. So I think I'm gonna go with the curly parsley. And I'm going to fill this up and I'll show you what it looks like once all of these are done. This one is complete. I have done sage, Thai basil, and more Thai basil, and then parsley, oregano, and thyme. And now I'm going to move on to this one, and I will be doing the same idea. So I will show you once it's done. So these are the seeds I haven't started yet. So I'm going to use that 4 here. So I'm going to use 2 for each. And I will use this tool for putting the seeds in. So it just makes a little hole like that for the seeds. I'm doing about 3 to 4 seeds in each hole. Done, and I have tons of seeds still left over, so I'm going to use these cups to do the rest. So here's my little garden. I put it in front of these 2 giant windows, which is probably the best sunlight I have in the whole house. And fingers crossed it works. I watered it. I'm gonna water it a couple times a week. And I will be posting the progress on Instagram and Facebook, and probably sharing it on Twitter. So make sure you follow me on some of them or all of them. The links are in the description box. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're brand new to my channel, would love for you to press that subscribe button. It's free. And make sure you press the notification button so you don't miss out any of my future posts. Until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And thank you so much for watching.